Video number 5. We are now talking about Reddit story. This is a really cool one. It's called a Reddit story, but honestly, I found that you can use it for a lot of different ways. I'm gonna click on Reddit story, right? You're still gonna have the Minecraft background on this one, so we're gonna go ahead and just pick, let's pick the one on the far right, okay? Now for the next one, okay, there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can actually go to Reddit, for instance. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and open a tab. I don't use Reddit, like rarely ever. It's something that I go to whenever I'm doing a Google search or Perplexity search, and it links me there for the most part. But let's say for instance, you find something. First thing that comes up, Dungeons of Eternity, uninspiring boss design. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this thread. I'm gonna copy the actual URL up here. I'm gonna come back over here and I'm going to enter the Reddit link right here for the post. And what it's going to do is actually create a video using the title as the opener and then the discussion itself as the voice and the text for the remainder of the video. It'll be easier to see it. But the reason why I said is you can use this for many other reasons is because you can custom make one as well too. For instance here, if you just go into custom, I'm using it in a sense where you can ask a question and then talk about the answer to that question, right? So if you just manually type in a question here, this will be the opener. You type in the follow-up here in the video script section and it'll put it all together for you. For now, let's go back to the import from Reddit just so we can kind of go over the different options that are available. So I'm going to click on this here. It's going to pull the thread back up. Now you actually have the ability to change the name of the poster. You can change the icon in another screen. Let's see here, scope of rewrite, main content, Reddit card title, character count, video script character count. So if we come back over here to custom script, first of all, the screen on the right, that's going to give you a preview of your selections over here on the left. If you click here in the drop down for the Reddit card, you actually have the ability to pick an avatar. This is one that I actually uploaded. This wasn't available on here. You can just click on it and upload. You can give it an actual username. So if you look on the right side, you can see as I'm making updates here, it shows it on the screen as to how it's going to appear. So I left it to make it look kind of like a Reddit post. What's this option do? Okay, so this is kind of like a subheader down there. I'm pretty sure there's probably like a Reddit term for this. Okay, moving on. So you have a couple different options here, and everything that you choose and select on here is going to appear on the right hand side from your preview window. So I've already gone through and worked with ChatGPT on creating a question and a follow-up on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste that. One sec. Okay, so there's the icon. There's the voice that we used. Oh, that's right. We actually did a couple stories with this one. Okay, all the edits are done. So let's go ahead and go to the next window. This is where we're going to pick the captions again. So okay, let's go with the Minecraft look. And then for the voices, again, I've already got all this stuff saved from last time I did it. So I chose the voice of Axel. So we'll just go ahead and do a search for Axel in here.
Hey everyone, it's Axel. Today we're exploring the top 10 most haunted places worldwide.
Okay. And see voice volume. Voice volume is at 80. Voice speed is at 110. 80. 110. Music is a future and the volume is at 1%. We'll turn this on. We'll bring this down to 1%. And a future. It's got that synthwave sound. Okay, so we'll select the future. We've already selected the voice. We're going to click on generate video. and it's gonna start generating the video. Now they usually take like about 3 to 5 minutes or something like that, from what I noticed. But since we've already generated this one, we're gonna go to the one that's already been created. So we're gonna come over here, go to video type. We're gonna change this to Reddit story. And I've actually got a few of them in here. I've been having a lot of fun with these ones recently. So let's go ahead and pull the first one. Reddit story 1 version 4. So it took 4 revisions before we got to one that we wanted to use.
If you forget what you were about to say, where does the thought go? You open your mouth, ready to drop the smartest thought of your life, and it's gone, vanished, like it never existed. Did your brain just glitch, or did reality decide you weren't supposed to say it? What if forgotten thoughts aren't lost, they're deleted by the universe's garbage collector? And if that's true, how many times have you almost remembered something you weren't supposed to know? If you forget what you were about to say, where does the thought go?
So there's your Reddit stories. There's a lot of different things you can do with this. Like I said, it's just think about it for what it is. It's a question and it's a follow-up to the question, and then your possibilities are endless at that point. So we're gonna go ahead and call a wrap on this one, and then we will be back with how do we do all the posting, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.